Hey there, Poppet. I just came across your brand here on Amazon and was taking a look at one of your listings here. And I wanted to first say great job on the product. You've got over 1,800 reviews, really positive ratings. But I wanted to share some tips here to help you really increase your traffic to your listing. Also, do some things on the conversion rate side as well. My name is Matt. I'm an account executive here at my Amazon guy. And really, the first thing that I looked at when I looked at your listing is my search tool. Now, this is telling me how you're getting both organic as well as paid traffic. Although I see right now you're not running any pay per click. You do want to be running some PPC. What we see is for every pay per click sale you make about 3 organic sales within a 6 month time frame. So you definitely are leaving some sales on the table here by not running any PPC. The other thing here too is that if I actually filter in by keywords that you rank on organically in the top 10, you only have 6 keywords in here. And then if I sort by search volume, your highest search volume keyword is, only 380, about 380 searches per month. So not a ton of search volume on that. And even on that, you rank number 6 organically. So, and by the way, that looks like a brand, kind of a branded keyword too, with your brand name in there. And actually, all of these are, except for this one right here, are all your brand names. So people that are searching for you, searching specifically for the Pop It product here, they can find you somewhat here on Amazon. But as far as new to brand customers, people that haven't heard of you before, you're really not getting any traffic from those searches, right? And if I actually look into, some of the, let's actually go out to the top 100 keywords that you rank on, some of this larger search term keywords like Tupperware sets, Snapware, plastic storage containers, Tupperware container set. These are keywords that you don't rank on quite high enough to get those impressions and clicks. And so, what we can do here in this listing is really by doing some exact matching for those keywords, start to move up your rankings. And, some of these are going to be more competitive than others. We might go for some longer tail keywords, but really doing all that work in your listing. I can tell you right now, your title is way too short. It's only 90 characters. You definitely want at least 150. You want to fill out these bullet points too, really optimize this whole listing for SEO, the backend search terms, even the A plus content. I noticed that you do have a few images here. The images really aren't optimized. You also don't have very much indexable content within your A plus. So really, your listing could be getting a lot more SEO sort of juice out of it, and really indexing for those keywords. Your images, I think overall are directionally right, but I think that they are missing some things like lifestyle photos. You don't have any humans in your images. It's also kind of a bit, I don't know how to exactly say, but it doesn't quite pop. And no pun intended. I know that's your brand name, but there's definitely some things that you can do in here to really make these images pop. So if you click my calendar link below, you can book a call with me. We are a full scale agency, so we can do everything to both grow your traffic and your conversions. We manage over 300 brands. So I look forward to talking to you soon. Again, my calendar link is below. Thanks.